Hello and welcome, friends. In this session, we are going to talk about how to earn money by learning different skills. Nowadays, different skills we need to learn to earn money from the market. And current education system exactly don't teach those skills where you can earn money. Sometimes what happens, we learn the skill, but we don't know how to implement it and earn money from that skill. Most of the time, student tries a lot of time to learn multiple skills, but it is not necessary. You can learn one skill, master in it, and you can start earning immediately. In this session, I am going to give you a step-by-step formula how to learn the skill and convert it as a money-making machine. So watch this video till the end and share with your friends. In day-to-day life, we are using a lot of different skills, and nowadays we are trying to earn maximum money by giving minimum time. And for that purpose, you need to learn a lot of skills, and we need to apply them, and we need to encash those skills by earning money or by doing some paid projects from this. In this session, I am going to give you step-by-step formula how you can earn money by learning different skills. Skill-based education is very important, and the new education policy is also giving more stress on this, that you need to learn more and more skills to earn more and more money from the market, from your job. 99% students are expecting different kinds of jobs, but here I am trying to tell you that you can earn money without a job. You can earn money as a freelancer. You can take a small projects on your own, and individually you can complete it and you can earn money from those projects. Now, what is that step by step formula to learn and earn money by using different skills? So let's jump into mind map, where I'm going to tell you the exact mechanism how you can earn money by learning different skills. Now, how to earn money, a skill based earning. Now here I am dividing this part in two steps. One is beginning, how to start with, and second is how to get next level, growth. So I am dividing this entire session in two parts, beginning and growth. Now here, how to start earning money by learning a skill, that is possible with the help of 5 steps. Now this is 5 steps formula. Number one, learn the skill. Now most of the time we are spending a lot of time in learning skills, and sometimes what happens, student learns one skill, then goes for another skill, then goes for another skill, and they are just learning it, but they are not implementing whatever they have learned. And that's why they are postponing their money making, they are postponing their earnings, and that is not giving them motivation. Once you start earning money from your skills, it gives you a lot of motivation to learn more and more skills and increase your income level. So here, learn the skills. Now what I am trying to tell you, that you have to spend maximum 15 days to 1 month. Within this span you have to learn the skill. Now which skill you need to learn, I have added a separate video, the skills that will help you to earn more money. You can watch this video. You can take any example. You can learn graphic designing, you can learn web development, you can learn coding, you can learn affiliate marketing, you can learn a lot of different things are available in the market. Okay, you can choose any skill that you like, that suits to you. Now in next video I am going to tell you how you can earn money just by learning HTML and CSS. It is not necessary that you need to learn a lot of different coding languages and then only you can earn the money. You can start earning just by learning HTML and CSS, or even if you are good in graphics and you can learn a Canva or Adobe Photoshop and you can start earning money. Now how to earn money, that is a different skill, and the actual skill that let you earn the money, that is another thing. So learn the skill, don't spend too much time for this, exactly follow a particular formula and grasp everything from that particular skill within 15 days to 1 month. Now to practice your learnings, I am giving additional time. Now you can spend 15 days more after learning. Once you are learning all the tags of HTML or once you are learning all the different possibilities in Canva, then you can practice those things for next 15 days. Okay, you have to create different graphics, you have to create different images. You can start with thumbnail making, you can create image that will be suitable for web development, you can create a photo of your products, you can create a photo of a person, and then you can make it decorate, how to remove the background, how to add something different, add background, how to create shadow, how to make it clear, how to convert it to black and white, or how to convert black and white image to the color. So a lot of different skills first you have to learn, and then you have to practice them by using different images. Now this is, I am talking about Canva. Now once you are having hands-on that particular skill, then you have to develop some projects. Now again, I am dividing these projects in two parts. One is a pilot project. Now pilot project, that is a dummy project. Okay, now you create your own project and complete it successfully. Okay, you can create 50 thumbnails. Okay, a lot of YouTube creators are there, and they are asking for different thumbnails. Now you can start earning by providing thumbnails. You can make attractive thumbnails and you can sell them. Okay, lot of web developers needs different kinds of photos, images. If you are a good photographer, what you can do is you click lot of different photos, make it attractive, okay, convert it to a money making machine. You can upload your photographs and you can sell them. You can take a copyright for it and you can sell them. If anything that you like, that can be converted in money making. Now first you do the dummy project, that we can call it as a pilot project. Now why we need to have a pilot project? Because once you are entering in market and trying to get a project, nobody will give you project just by because of your what you are telling. You have to show something. Okay, now you have to show your talent, you have to show what skills you have, and that is possible with the help of some demo pieces. Now this is possible with the help of pilot project. If you are a web developer, develop some 2-3 different websites on your own, make them attractive, create a proper engagement effect and all those things, and then you can showcase your websites to the client so that client can give the order. Now that is very important. Even if you are working as a freelancer, you need to showcase your skills, then only someone will give you project. Now as far as pilot projects are concerned, if you are having any project, or if someone you know, you can offer them free product development. If you are having your one of the friend who is doing a small business, you can offer that I have started a web development right now and I will give you a free website. So develop a free website, make it attractive, satisfy all the needs of your friend, and then what you can do is you can showcase this website to the new customers, that this is the website that I have developed and I can do a lot of things like this, and if you want, I can create it for you, and now you can charge for it. Unless you are showcasing what are your skills, what is your uniqueness, what additional value you can give to the client, nobody will pay you. So you should have some pilot projects with you, or you can take some projects free of cost, develop it, and then you can establish your system. So 15 days I am giving you to develop 2 or 3 projects. Even if you are developing one good project, that's okay. Then you have to develop your system. Now system means once client is coming to you, you should have a step-by-step process. Okay, how much money you are going to charge, that should be ready with you. How much money you will going to charge for this developing this kind of website, how much money you are going to charge to develop one thumbnail or one photograph. So you should have your charges ready with you. You should know how to create it, how much time you need to take from the client to develop or to complete the project. So accordingly, you have to develop your entire system. Okay, getting information from client, getting raw quality images, taking photographs, or just have one day spare for shooting everything, and then you can sit and you can plan a theme, what kind of theme you can create, or what kind of technology you are going to use. If it is a website, whether you are going to use WordPress or any other thing, so you can decide at a policy, and then you should have a proper system, then only you can develop your project immediately, and it will be effortless development. So these 3 steps: number 1, learn the skills, practice the skills, and develop some pilot projects, develop your own system. These are at learning stage that you have to finish within 2 months or 2.5 months. Now, once you are having all those things, I am giving you a 90 days. By the way, if you are not part of my community and if you are interested in learning graphical designing, web development, digital marketing like skills, you can join my community. The link is given in description. And in this community, I am teaching you how to start earning by using graphical designing, logo development, web development, and digital marketing. You can start your own agency of digital marketing and you can start earning within the 90 days. You can start earning money by joining my community. You have to just follow step by step mechanism that I have developed. I have given a complete roadmap how to learn, how to implement the full practical demo projects, and even I'm helping to create your profile on freelancing websites and how to earn money by developing projects even from outside country. So this is what I'm giving in my community. And if you are not interested to join my community, you can start learning just by watching these videos. Most of the videos I'm giving on YouTube, but it may take some time. Joining community is just like traveling on toll road. Just pay the toll and finish your journey as early as possible, effortlessly. So here accountability is missing. In my community, I am holding accountable partner for you. I am taking your test. I am giving you certification. I am helping you how to approach the client, and we are having something called hackathon. By with the help of that hackathon, we are developing professionalism within our community, and that is very important when you are going in the market and you are trying to earn money. So if you are interested to learn these skills as early as possible without efforts, then join my community right now and you can learn those things and you can see the magic happening in your life. The fourth step is how to get a client. Now, to get a client, I'm giving two methods. Number one is local. Now, local market. Now, suppose you are developing websites, then what you can do is you are having suppose only HTML and CSS knowledge. Then you can develop static web pages. Now, who is interested in static website? Now you can find out small people or individual professionals, those who are not having their websites. For example, you can start from plumbers, a small shop salesman, a carpenter, and you can find out someone who are there on Google. You just Google them and find out their contact numbers. You can approach them. Hey, I'm developing a website, and I will develop a website just for. Now you can decide your money. You can start from 1,000 rupees. You can get your website in just 1,000 rupees, because for those people, they are not expecting too much things. They are just they just wanted to put their photos of their furniture or what they are doing. They want to get a call from client. The website will be as like as a visiting card. So you can find out such people and you can start earning. The second option that I'm giving is a freelancing. Now you have to create your profile on freelancing websites. Now how to create it, I'm giving a separate video on this. How to create your profile that will attract people, and you have to see different projects those are posted on freelancing websites and you have to apply for them. If they are interested in you, they will give you a project. Now to get those projects, again you need to have something in your hand. You need to highlight some projects, and for beginning I am giving you one more trick. You can offer your services at very minimum charges, or even you can offer for free of cost, because you need to create a trust in a market. Once people start to trust you, they will give you a lot of projects. And in freelancing also, you can earn huge money by developing different kinds of projects. Now, once you are following all those four steps, next thing is just start earning. Now, in beginning, I am giving you these steps that within 3 to 4 months you can start earning, but that earning will be a beginning earning. It will not have a huge impact on your earning, but at initial stages you have to do this. The second phase is a growth. Now here you can expand your earnings. Now again I'm giving you three steps how to expand. Now first learn one skill, practice it, develop a project, start earning from that skill. And now whenever you are getting a time, start to learn another skill. Now initially you have learned suppose Canva, start earning from Canva. At the same time start learning HTML, start learning CSS, start learning WordPress, so that website development will be the another skill, and from that skill again you will start earning. The same path I am giving you to my community members. Learn step by step. Each step, learn one skill, start earning from that skill. Second skill, start earning from that skill. Third skill, start earning from that skill, and so on. Now here you have to learn new skill and again repeat all the process for that new skill and start earning from this. Now in this way you have to learn few skills. Okay, graphical designing skill, web development skill, app development skill. Then you can have digital marketing skills, social media marketing skills. And once you are aware of different skills in one domain, you can start your own company. And now you have to manage your money. Once you are starting some good amount of money, you cannot immediately have a big empire. Okay, you need to learn how to manage your money effectively, so that you can create your own company, you can have next level of earning, you can have next level of empire. And here what you have to learn is how to pay taxes. Professionalism is very important. You need to pay the taxes. You don't hide your earnings. Pay the taxes. Then invest something for your wealth creation and use that money for operations. For example, whatever things are required, you can develop your own website. You need to have your own investment. You can invest in your learnings. The best investment ever in business is self development. You have to invest money for your own learning. You have to learn different skills. You have to learn different habits. If you are learning a lot of different skills, but if you don't know how to implement and how to earn money from this, you cannot earn money. You cannot have your own business. You cannot run your business. So you need to learn from people, those who are successful in the market. And for that purpose, you need to invest some money for your own learning. You need to purchase some assets, those are required for your business. And by using those assets, you can earn more and more money. So here, how to use your money wisely, how much part you have to pay as a tax, how much part you have to keep as a wealth creation, how much part you have to invest in operations of your business, and how much part you have to put in your self growth. So that is very important. And I'm having a separate session weekly basis for this. You have to cultivate some habits. You have to learn how to manage people. You have to learn how to create a relationship. You have to learn how to use your money wisely. You have to make yourself more productive. And it is very important part of every business. Without this, no, even though you learn all the skills, and if you are missing, if you're not working on it, if you are not taking right actions, then everything will be useless. You will just keep learning, and finally you will join somewhere as a web developer and you will start a small amount of money. If you want to develop your business, you need to cultivate a lot of different habits, and it's not easy. It's a simple, but it's not easy. You need to have a proper mentor, then only you can do this. And the third step that is very important, that you have to build a team. A person alone cannot earn big money. You need to develop a system, and you need to develop a team, and you have to get the things from the team also. And that is the very important step of your growth. Now some other steps are also there, but here the main objective of this session is to give you a step-by-step process for the beginning. Learn the skill, practice the skill, start taking projects, get the clients, and then go for a second phase, that is growth. Learn new skill, follow the same steps, and you can have some sets of skills with you. And once you are having this, then you can have a lot of other things that is required for your personal growth. So I hope this video is very impactful and helpful for you to understand how you can learn the skills and make money online. There are a lot of different opportunities available, only you should know how to encash them, how to attract them, and how to take right actions. That is very important. If you want to learn all those things from my community, you can join my community right now. Link is given in description. In next session, I am going to give you a right example how you can start earning money just by learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe this channel, share with your friends. I am Dr. Mukund Kulkarni signing off. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in next video.